I struggled for so long trying to find my it girl makeup look, but I finally found the one, and here's how I do it. So I found this look on Rednote, and I really wanted to know how this look will look like on me. First, I shave my brows because I really like skinny brows, and I usually shave them every 2 to 3 days. So the main focus of this look is definitely the blush placement and the eyes. So my foundation routine is pretty simple, but I do focus a little bit more on my nose contour. I'm not really heavy with nose contouring. However, for this look, the nose contour is needed to bring the eye look together. I'm using cream contour from Made by Mitchell's Curve Cake. I start my nose contour from the beginning of my brows down the sides of my nose and stop about halfway down. To contour the tip, I draw a circle around the end of my nose to give it that soft button shape. I already have the lighter concealer sitting down the center of my nose. I let it sit for a bit to get more coverage. I always blend out my nose contour first so I can soften the harsh lines with my under eye concealer after. And this is a process you do not want to rush. Take your time when it comes to blending out your concealer and your contour. Now it's time for blush placement. I'm using ColourPop's liquid blush with pearl in the shade Sweet Cheeks. I place it above the apples of my cheeks, right between the corner of my eye and the center of my iris. When I blend, I tap in the same spot to keep the pigment concentrated. This placement gives anime girl blush, like that cute concentrated pop of color when they're flustered. After setting my whole face with both loose and pressed powder, I go in with powder bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury to bronze the perimeter of my face. I also use it to contour my nose, starting from the beginning of my brows to the sides of my nose and focusing on the tip to give that soft, cute button nose effect. Then I go in with powder blush, starting with Morphe Cheek Thrills and Cabana Club, focusing in the same area as the liquid blush. Then I layer Lottielondon's Rosy blush on top of it to give it more of a bubblegum pink finish. Don't be scared of the blush, just be aware of it. If you know, you know. For my brows, I use Benefit's Precisely My Brow Pencil to get those super skinny straight brows. It gives me a subtle little facelift. I don't know, something about a skinny eyebrow, it just does it for me every single time. I'm using Danessa Myricks Color Fix in Nudes 8 as a base. I'm blending it out softly with a fluffy brush, keeping everything nice and diffused. Then I take Huda Beauty's Kohl Liner in black and apply it to the waterline. I'm being heavy-handed with this one. I make sure the outer corner is thicker than the inner, and I slightly round the outer edge for a more sultry shape. Next, I use Danessa Myricks Color Fix in blackout to create a curved wing starting from the bottom of the liner. Then I line the upper lash line and finish by adding a pointed inner corner, connecting the top and the bottom liner. To soften everything up, I go in with a gray shadow and lightly smudge the outer corner and the wing just to blur any harsh lines. Now it's time to create the egg yolk sol, that little puff of fat under the eyes that gives you that youthful, smiley, doll-like look. I use my bronzer to define the natural crease under my eyes. You want to leave a space between the lower lash line and that crease and stop the line before it reaches the inner and outer corners. Make sure it has a soft curve to it, nothing too harsh. Then I use an under eye brightening powder to highlight the space between the crease and my lower lash line. This step looks easy, but it's tricky to perfect, so take your time. 2 coats of mascara on the bottom lashes. It pulls the whole look together and it makes the egg yolk sol pop even more. I also highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my nose using Danessa Myricks Color Fix Stick and Meteorite, blending it out with a smudge brush. It sucks that my camera doesn't show you guys how beautiful this product is. The way it sparkles, glitters, shimmers, it's stunning. This part is optional, but I added a few beauty marks to my face using Danessa Myricks Color Fix in blackout. And for lashes, I'm so mad that I lost the box for these lashes because these lashes are literally like the best pair of lashes I've ever had. The only thing I remember is that I got them from the beauty supply store. For my lips, I use Jean Louis Cosmetics Beaver Lip Liner and I slightly round up my Cupid's bow. I just like it that way. And I filled my lips in with the lip liner. Then I went in with their Skin Tight Liquid Lipstick. And I haven't used a liquid lipstick in so long, y'all. But the combo looks really nice together. But later on, I do add some gloss on top of it. And then I spray my face with Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to make sure everything melts. It doesn't look so powdery. And this is how I do my It Girl signature makeup look. This is now my look. This is the look that I'm going to wear anytime I step out. I feel so beautiful in it. Never thought that I'd feel beautiful in such a heavy liner. So could this be your new It Girl look? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on all my social media platforms. It's Bae. And I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye!